Welcome. Today I will show you how you can hard reset your phone through recovery mode when it's running Android 13. This process does remove things like screen lock, so if you have one that you don't know, you can get rid of it this way, but I do warn you that by doing this, the device will become FRP locked, so you will most likely need to verify the pattern, PIN, password, or Google account that was previously logged into the device. So anyway, now to get started, you will need to turn off the device. Now you can do it in several different ways. You can either hold power key and volume up, or you can pull down your notifications and press right over here on the power button. Let's see if we can do that also when the device is locked, and it looks like we still have the access to it, so there we go. Now once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will boot us into fast boot mode, so from here, using volume keys to navigate, you want to select the recovery mode, which will be visible right here where the start is. Then confirm it with power key. Now you will also see the Android with no command, so hold power key and press volume up once, and this will then redirect you to the actual recovery mode. So again, using volume keys, you want to scroll down in order to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it with power key, select factory data reset, and there we go. Last thing at the bottom you should see is data wipe complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once again. This will reboot the device and it will continue the factory reset in the background, so give it like a minute to complete it in the background, and once it is, will be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.